Hello, future teacher, and welcome to this elementary education test, Subtest 1, exam number 150, essay workshop, presented by teacherpreps.com. In this lesson, we're going to be talking all about writing your constructed response assignment. As you probably are aware, when taking your elementary education test to pass your teacher certification exam, exam number 150, you are given a constructed response assignment, which means you need to write an essay that is approximately 300 to 600 words in length. Now, what if I told you there was a way to make sure that you are writing at the skill level that will get you a top scoring grade, which would be a 4? That would be pretty cool, right? Now, I'm happy to share that here at teacherpreps.com, our test preparation includes an AI essay grader that will give you instant feedback on our sample constructed response. So what you want to do is you want to read this, pause the video here, get to know the sample response, and then when you're ready, make sure that you have clicked the blue button, Get Test Prep Now, click that Enroll button, and you will be presented with our test prep where you can get instant feedback. Here, I'm going to type in, we have already written both a weak response and a strong response so that we can check the difference. Now, if I submit our weak response, we should get a score pretty low, possibly a 1 or a 2. There we go. Now, it will not only give you a score based off the same rubric that you are going to be tested upon on test day, but also feedback for improvement. So for example, it says additionally, we need to provide a more thorough explanation. Now, what happens if I reload the page, I go back over to our pre-written response, and I go over here, there we go, copy this, go back over to our essay writing workshop where I can learn to write in a better way in order to improve my writing skills for test day. Here I'm going to copy and paste in the response that I believe answers the 4 tasks in a more thorough way. Now here I go, here's the moment of truth, just hit the submit button and out comes our score of 4. Now, if you receive a score of 4, you should be congratulating yourself because we have trained this AI essay grader to be very strict. If you've ever taken a teacher certification exam in the past, you know that the test graders are not easy markers. They make sure that you make and demonstrate your understanding of pedagogical information, knowledge, and instructional strategies so that you prove that you're ready for the classroom. So, if you would like test prep that not only gives you instant scores, feedback, but of course also if we go to our test prep roadmap for the elementary education subtest 1 and 2, exam numbers 150 and 151, we can see that we have links to different lessons for everything as well as practice tests that you need to pass your exam on your next try. So if, for example, you're thinking, wow, it's been a long time since I've studied life science, I would love for everything to be presented in one easy to read and watch lesson. Here's a video. Here is the overview, the vocabulary that you need to know all about life science in this particular case, as well as videos that make learning fast and enjoyable. And then at the bottom of every lesson, there are interactive work guides where you can check your readiness for vocabulary, as well as timed practice tests for every topic that you need to pass your 150 and 151 exam. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next videos.